How to log in Ulta app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to log into your Ulta app, what you need is first thing first, you want to make sure to install. So head over to your respective app store. On the search bar, you want to type in Ulta Beauty mobile app. After which you want to make sure to install the app and tap on the open button. Once you've done this, you will then be taken to the next page. Tap on the next, allow all these notifications if you want to. And once you've done that, you will then be taken to the home page. Now you've not logged in, so you just need to tap on the menu bar at the very top. There you have sign in or create account. So tap onto it and tap onto the sign in button. Enter in your credentials, and that is basically how you're supposed to log into your Ulta Beauty app. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you've forgotten your password, you could simply tap on forgot password and reset your password and log into your account as well. So thanks for watching.